Welcome everybody to Captain America Crypto, coming to you with the charts on CC, Canton Network token. I tell you what, people, it's moving up when the market is pulling back. We got so much chaos going out beyond America, but Canton Network is pushing up. Fuel prices going on the rise. Everything's chaos, but Canton Network is pushing up, y'all. Everything that's bad that you could think that was bad, Canton Network is pushing up. How about liking that? How about hitting that like button? Hit that subscribe right there if you hold Canton Network. How about subscribing to the channel? If you want to get in on this token, now's a wonderful time. You're not buying in at the top, you're still buying in at the bottom. How about hitting that subscribe button for Canton Network? If you like the crypto and you like what it's doing and you want to be a part of this team, how about hitting the subscribe button? So we're going to get over here and we're going to talk a little bit about Canton Network. Canton Network set at 0.1887. Canton Network, through all this market pullback, has pushed up 4.82% today, almost 5%, people. As we can see right here, I had this trend line drawn out. She hit the top up here, came down to the bottom trend line, and finally broke her way through. Let's get on the daily chart. Well, I'll go back to the 1 hour chart. I don't know why I did that, but I should have stayed on the 1 hour chart. But she broke through, come through, and she hit this resistance line at 16 cents I told y'all about in my previous video. Came down and hit it again. Came down a little further, found a little bit of more support, and stepped her way right through up above this trend line right here at the 1. Pushed right on up, came back, tested it back for support that was once resistance and has moved up. She moved up all the way to the zero up here. She come back down, helped fill some imbalances right here and move right back up. And now she's still moving up. She run all the way up to 16 cents. And right now she pulled back a little bit further than this, but now she's pushing back again. This token is ranked number 16. Out of the top 100, Canton Network is ranked number 16. For all those that hold XRP, I'm here to tell you, we're coming for you. We're coming for the number 5 spot, y'all. Canton Network is going to come and take you out of the number 5. You was at number 4, but I believe BNB has knocked you off the chart, has surpassed you right now. Let's see right now. BNB has passed XRP, putting it at number 5. You're going to start seeing XRP fall right on down, everybody, but look at here. This one right here, old Big C, we're coming for you, XRP. Big C's coming for you, It's just going to have to keep climbing. And that's what she's doing. She's pushing right on up, almost at 19 cents. And a couple of days ago, she was at 14 cents. You got to be excited for Canton Network. I'm just here to tell you. Just want to come and share it with you, y'all. Hey, your whole Canton Network is sitting good today. My friends, my subscribers, my viewers. How about if you tuning in on Captain America and you really stand behind the banker's token? The banker's token, JP Morgan, Bank of America, and the list, Bank of China, the list goes on and on. Privacy's where it's at, and I'm telling you, XRP don't offer you no privacy, and a lot of other ones don't offer you XLM don't offer privacy. And sad to say, and I covered, XCN don't offer privacy. That would be one of the best things they ever done, is to put XCN privacy. I'm telling you right now, but They might choose not to. A lot of these cryptos ain't gonna make it, and this is one of the this is one that's gonna make it, y'all. Canton Network is gonna get through and gonna surpass all these others. Look here, let's go back and look at it again. I want to show you who she's sitting in front of, who she's passed already. Okay, number 16 spot, Canton Network. She's passed Athenia. Well, that's just a regular stable coin. You got, she's sitting ahead of Stellar, Zcash, Dow, World Liberty Finance. This is the stable coin right here. Litecoin, Sui, Avalanche, HBAR, and that's a meme coin right there. And there's World Liberty Finance sitting at 27. Ton down here at 29. Chronos at 30. Polkadot at 31. You just go on and go on and go on. But Canton Network is sitting at number 16. And she's going to continue moving right on up. I'm just here to bring the news to you, the good news. And you know, after a while, we could see a major a correction on the price of Canton token. But right now, she's continued. She's at this level of resistance up here at the 236. Just taking her time like she did down here on the 16 cent. She's just trying to push. She get up above there, get above 19 cent at 382, and hold that as support. Guess what's going to happen next? We hit it in the 20 cent range. The 20 cent range, my friends. Everything on the Canton Network looks good. Overview, look here. Started the day out just kind of neutral up in the green, pushed up. She came down. She had to get a little bit more support, and this time, what happened? She passed it. She went above it. She started the day out at 0.17727. And look where she's at right now. Looking real good. Hey, last 4 hours, she's up 8%. Last 24 hours, she's up 7.25%. The last 7 days, she's up almost 33%. So while we're taking now, I own other cryptos and my bags is getting weaker, but smaller, lighter. But Canton Network is looking really good. I hold Canton Network and going to buy all the way in, all the way to the top. This is the chosen crypto for the banks. Because it's a good token, it's a good project, it's privacy. That's the main part with banks, moving large sums of money, just like Swift does. What do you think the chances of the banks pushing this? JP Morgan, Bank of America pushing Swift to use Canton Network along with Chainlink. It's privacy, people. It's the privacy narrative that's driving this with these cryptos. And everybody's screaming and yelling at Ripple with XRP. It's not. It's the banks that we currently have. Bank of America, JP Morgan. Ripple's not taking these banks out. These banks are too big. It's too, it would take years, hundreds of years for Ripple to even get where these major banks, JP Morgan and all these others, are setting at. So it's not XRP, my friends. It's CC, Canton Network token. Because we get it over here and we look, let's refresh this, and we're going to see that the coin market cap is down. It's down to 2.84 trillion. Fear and greed, we into fear. The overall market's in fear. Average crypto RSI is below 50. It's at 38.65, favoring the oversold zone. And then you get over here on Canton Network and look. We get over here, we look at the spot. Let's look at the spot volume on Canton Network. They're bringing these cryptos on the exchanges because, listen, Canton Network is it's a traded crypto. They're bringing it on, shorting and longing the market on Canton Network. Right now, there's more shorts than there is longs. So that's helping push the price of Canton Network up. You got everything's green lit up over here. A whole lot of buying coming in on Canton Network. We get over here, let's go back and open interest, everything on this Canton Network is just good. Look, on the funding rate, pull back deep in the negative, pushing the price up. Open interest on the rise, still climbing. Volume increasing. Look where it's going, people. Volume ain't been like this since back January the 5th. January the 5th. Liquidation. Let's look at the short and the longs. You got a lot more shorts right now than you have longs. Everything's favored for Canton Network to continue this rally up. And we push up. It's trying to get above this 236. This is another strong area right here. This 236, this red line right here. She's trying to get above and break through this 236 area. Could see her pushing up the way she's looking on the charts right now on the fundamental side of it. As far as on the other fundamentals, what's going on in the United States and abroad is not favorable for the crypto market. But you have this token that is rallying. Now, I feel, this is me, I feel like she's going to continue pushing against this 236 till she breaks it down, breaks through it. She's going to get up here above the 382, come back, and she's going to test this area, has supported at 236, and she's going to continue right on up. We could see this token getting on up 20, 21 cents and more. It's just favorable for that condition. I had this trend line. She broke it. She bounced and pushed against it. I also, in previous videos, showed you this resistance level right here. She went up above this trend line, came back, touched it as support, and she hit this 16-cent wall resistance right here till she finally broke through over here, came back, said, hey, you was hard-headed. You didn't think I would get through, and I did. It pushed up, came back, sat down on top of it, and said, hey, now you hold me a while. And she just kept continuing on, and she's still rallying. Don't know exactly. Just going to have to keep, but we on that. If we break through this 236, we're going to probably rally right on up into the 20 cent. Listen what I'm telling you. The 20 cent. This token right now ain't much correlated with Bitcoin, and it's showing a lot of strength. So if you're interested in Canton Network, if you're interested and you made it this far, how about subscribing to the channel? If you like to see me keep coming back, I'm gonna keep coming back with this Canton Network. I'm a firm believer. XRP used to be my largest bag, but it's gonna be Canton Network right now. I do believe in this project. Subscribe to the channel. Look, I'm lighting them blankets. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get in on this. Hey, I'm not telling you to sell no other crypto. Just start getting in on this token. This token is going to pass XRP's all-time highs at 365. It's going past that, y'all. Remember what I'm telling you. It's going to push up. Now, right now, it may not do that. But this project right here is going to go to $1, and then it's going to go to $2, then it's going to go 3, 4, and 5, and so on. So, And XRP's done what it's going to do now. It's going to pull back up under $1, and then it's going to shoot back up in the next bull run. It go $10, $15. I'm not knocking XRP by no means. But this is right here, what I'm bringing to you right now is the chosen crypto for the banks. Bank of America, America's largest bank, JP Morgan, they are firmly behind this token. So I'm asking all those that do believe in this crypto and want to be part of it, because this is what we're doing here at Captain America Crypto. We are standing behind Canton Network 110%. 110%. So, how about hitting that subscribe button and just be part of something that's going to be awesome? I'm not telling you go out there buy 10,000, 100,000. It's what you want to do. If you can't buy but $5, $6, and that's all you can afford, hey, get in. You got to start somewhere. We all got to start somewhere. We might not have enough to buy a whole bunch today, but listen, every little bit counts. This is what I'm wanting to create. I want to create a channel where I can help others become profitable in the crypto market, not by day trading. That'll come later on, but by spot trading. You're in the time right now to invest in this crypto and many more, because a lot of them's already in the bear market bottom. You're seeing a lot. You're seeing Bitcoin pull back a lot, while these other cryptos ain't pulling back because they're already in the bottom. So I want to. This is a community that we're putting together here, Captain America Crypto, where we're going to create ourselves to be millionaires and wealthy, and we want you to be part of that too. Hey, if we don't become millionaires, we will become wealthy in the digital crypto space. So, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back more later on with more crypto. We're going to cover XCM. We're going to cover ZBEC. Awesome projects that's got a lot of room for growth, small market caps, that's got real utility cases. So, get involved. If you come across this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to tell you, get in on something good. Join a group like Captain America that I'm here to help. I'm not here. I don't have no DeFi groups. I don't have no trading groups. I want to come, and later on that may come. But I'm not saying it ain't. But listen, the wealth that you can, it starts today. It starts today. So I'm saying whatever you can go get. You're not buying in at the top, people. 18 cents today, it's going to be $5, $10 in the next year or two. Get in on this. Get in on this token. So God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.